A pleasant day to each and everyone. My name is Chiki M. Belhera. With my partner Jan Emil Perez, we will going to report about emerging trends in business technologies. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, learners should know the different types of trends in business technology. Introduction. Emerging trends in business technologies. Trends in business technologies regarding its adoption and implementation have for a number of years now suggest a strong inclination by organizations and all sizes towards increased uptake in digitization. We can mostly observe this is greater investment in technology initiatives, particularly as they pertain to cloud services among SMBs across the world and the United States. According to www.gartner.com, SMB means small and mid-sized business. The attribute used most often is number of employees. Small business are usually defined as organizations with fewer than 100 employees. Mid-sized enterprises are those organizations with 100 to 999 employees. The world of business technology is changing rapidly, and organizations are embracing digitization. So, what are the biggest emerging trends in the business technology that we need to know? First, we have data fabric. So, data fabric means a data fabric refers to the architecture management system within which endpoints are fully connected across multi-cloud and hybrid network environments. Data fabric standardizes practices relating to data management in organizations, helping companies improve information visibility, access, protection, and compliance. Data fabric helps businesses more effectively leverage the information they possess in order to achieve better business outcomes. In short, data fabric enables businesses to move beyond older data management practices to optimize their resources. Also, can provide business users with easy, secured access to hundreds of data and to help overcome the barriers that previously made it hard to access. So, these are the use of data fabric: data ingestion, data access, data discovery, data processing, data management and intelligence, and fraud detection. And next, cloud native platform. So what is cloud native platform?
In recent years, there has been a big push among companies to adopt cloud technology and migrate their data onto cloud native platforms. That is, applications that are designed to run exclusively on cloud and use its computing to scale and distribute services. Migration to the cloud has led to businesses adopting lift and shift policies whereby they move data and applications from their legacy systems onto cloud-based infrastructures. As cloud computing becomes increasingly fixture on this in the business operations, it's likely this trend will continue for many years to come, until such time that cloud-native platforms are the norms. As you can see, these are the four key principles of cloud-native development. Microservices. Microservices architecture is an application development approach in which a large application is built as its suite of modular components or services. Containerization. Containers are a type of software that can virtually package and isolate applications for deployment. Continuous delivery. Continuous delivery is a software delivery approach in which development turns procedures and test codes in short but continuous cycles. DevOps. DevOps is a methodology that promotes better communication and collaboration between development and operation teams. Decision intelligence represents a key field of interest in organizations which encompasses greater use of business intelligence or BI, artificial intelligence or AI, and analytics in order to make more informed business decisions. The use of AI machine learning or ML, not that ML, opens up opportunities for creating a decision intelligence framework. One example of this would be the use of predictive analytics that can assess past trends to better understand patterns, like seasonal patterns, for example, which can then be used to make informed decisions about the future. Decision intelligence combines these technologies, linking data with decisions, actions, and outcomes. Decision intelligence empowers companies to use AI and data to make fast, accurate, consistent decisions and address certain needs and problems in their businesses. Hyperautomation. Hyperautomation is the use of technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotic process automation or RPA. The automate business tasks and processes that are usually done by humans. But it's an approach to automation that aims to automate every process within reason in order to achieve a business where operations are as streamlined as possible. The end result should aim to get rid of repetitive tasks, save time, lower outgoings and waste, collect more data, and increase efficiency within an organization. Distributed enterprise. Distributed enterprise refers to an increasing prevalence among business to operate across multiple branches and locations. As organizations look to adopt remote-first policies to take advantage of the benefits of operating a distributed enterprise, there are nonetheless security concerns which are most accommodated to ensure they are not at risk to opportunity cyberattacks. Total experience. Total experience refers to a developing method of interlinking four different disciplines. These are user experience, customer experience, multiple experience, and employee experience. Total experience can be seen as part of broader effort among business to unify their systems and networks to create cohesive platforms that intersects between all stakeholders involved in an organization. As customers' experience becomes central aspirations for SMBs to improve, other experience becomes significant, to not least employee experience as expectations grow among workplaces. Generative AI. Generative AI is about the use of artificial intelligence to assist assisting information in order to create new actionable data that can be used by stakeholders and decision makers. Generative AI platforms assess underlying patterns in data, often unstructured data, to transform into actionable data. An example of this image processing, generative AI can be used to upscale and restore existing footage to their highest resolution at 60 frames per second automatically through machine learning. Bottom line, there are several emerging trends in business technology that are becoming more prominent with each year. The most significant insofar its impact on technology and investment among SMBs is the emergence of data fabrics, cloud native platforms, and hyperautomation, all of which have operational applications that are universal across organizations regardless of industry. Companies should consider whether they are planning for these emerging trends, which will soon become the norm.